Savannah, Savannah. So tell me something. Tell me something. Okay. So you're still waking up. Okay, so tell me something. Tell me a story. Like I told you one morning. See, I told you one. Oh yeah? That sounded like you were telling me no. That didn't sound like a story. Tell me a story. What? What? Are you saying you want up? Okay. You said I'm... So you're not listening to me, Mommy. I know. I know. Okay, you want to sit up? You want to sit up? You want to sit up? You tired of laying there like that? Okay. Let's sit up. Okay, there we go. That better? Is that better? Okay, now tell me. Now tell me. Now finish telling me.
Savannah. 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 Savannah.
Why you say it like that, Savannah?
Savannah. Savannah.
Don't listen to your daddy. You're talking crazy.
Hey.
What? What's going on? Then why are you all staring at me like that?
Savannah.
I
Savannah
want
Jones.
to hear what you have to say. What do you have to say? I know you got a lot to say. You have to. You have to. What do you think about your brother? What do you think about Caleb? Yeah, Caleb, your brother. Don't look so confused. You know Caleb, the big, tall, skinny boy with the afro. You know who I'm talking about. You know. You know who I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Why are you staring at me like that? Why are you staring at me like that? Why you look so confused? I'm your mama. I'm your mama. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I almost called you Caleb. That's why you're confused. Savannah. Whoa. Slid down. Where are you going? Scoot you up. Whoa. There we go. There's a lot on that belly, huh? There's a lot of pressure on that belly. Like this? Not really? Not really? You like this? Huh? You like this? You like this? You like it? Hmm? Hmm? You like that? Oh, there it is. Yes. There we go. Touch it. Touch it. Okay. Yay! You touched it, Savannah. Look at you, big girl. Look at you. Big girl. There you go. Grab it. You can get it. Look at that. Good job. Good job. There we go. See her little hands? Yeah, see her hands. She's got hands like you. They're just fuzzy. They're pink. See? It's soft. See how soft? See how soft it is? Are you trying to push it away or are you trying to touch it? I don't know. Say, okay. New toy, Mommy. New toy. It's pink and fuzzy. I get it. Okay, let's see. Boy, that didn't last too long. How about your book? What's your book? You like your book? You like this? There we go. Good job. And I look at the book. Good job. What's it say, Savannah? What does it say? See the sun? The sun doesn't really squeak, but in this book, the sun squeaks. See? Yay! Look at the book. Look at. Can you touch it? You want to touch the book up here? You want to touch it up here? Or no, you just want to be lazy. You only want to touch it if it's right in front of you. Boop. Boop. Here. You want to touch it? No. Why are you sliding? You're going to put Velcro on your butt. Ugh. Where's your other arm? We lost an arm. We lost an arm, Savannah. We lost an arm. Look at your squeaky book. Look at that. What's it say? It says wind. Yeah, wind, and that's the sun. That squeaks. Squeaky sun. Mm-hmm. I'm going to turn the page. And you see the bird? Hear all that noise? You're making that noise. See? See the noise? You're making noise. Yeah. Get it. So yay, Savannah. Can you hold it? Can you hold it? There we go. You're holding it, Savannah. You're holding it. Look at you. You're a smart girl. You're a smart girl. Smart girl. You're a smart girl. Now what? Now what do you do? Now what do we do with it? See, I made a crinkle. I made a crinkle, Mommy. Now what? That's one thing. You want that? I'm trying to get rid of it. You want it back? Use your left hand. Get up. Get it. Get it. Get it, Savannah. Get it, Savannah. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Good job. Look at those hands. Look at those hands. What are you doing? Here. You slide it. Okay. Alright, there we go. I'm tired of that toy. Okay. It's getting old. No, you still like it. Okay. You're all twisted. You want a new toy? Look at this one. Look at this toy. You don't like this one? What happened? What happened? Look at this toy. Look. So it's interesting, huh? It feels different. Look at this one. You don't like it?
There you go.
Ha ha ha. Ah, ha ha ha. So what do you think about the toys? Tell me about the toys. What do you think? Uh-oh. Somebody's getting hungry. Somebody's getting hungry. Oh, you want to eat? Do you want to eat? Yes? Say yes, ma'am. You want to eat? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You want to eat? Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat? Say yes, ma'am. Okay, that's good enough.
You see me trying to swallow my fist. See me trying to swallow my fist. Oh. Okay. You gotta put the camera down. I'm gonna sit you up. Let's put the camera right here. I'll sit you up. Slide you up. There you go. There you go. Camera back. Savannah. 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 You slide down again. Okay, camera off.